Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus ROG. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus ROG sounds like a jet engine, you're not alone. This noise typically indicates that the cooling fans are working overtime, often due to dust buildup or failing components. If left unaddressed, it could lead to overheating and potential damage to your laptop's internals. So, let's dive into the repair process to get your device back to a quieter state. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, some isopropyl alcohol, and a microfiber cloth to clean. First, ensure you power down your Asus ROG and unplug it from any power source. Next, turn the device upside down and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool along the edges of the back panel to lift it off gently. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding it in place. Once the back panel is removed, locate the cooling fans. These are usually found close to the heat sink. Inspect the fans for any visible dust buildup, as this is often the culprit for excessive noise. To extract the faulty fan, carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard, noting its position for reinstallation. Remove any screws securing the fan in place, applying a gentle but firm pressure to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new fan and position it where the old one was. Replace the screws to secure it in place and reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean any dust from the heatsink and surrounding areas using isopropyl alcohol and the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Once everything is clean, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and secure. Finally, reinsert the screws to hold it in place. Before you power it on, give it a moment to ensure everything is properly seated. To prevent this issue from recurring, make it a habit to clean the fans and vents every few months. Also, consider using your laptop on a hard surface to allow for better airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.